Hello friends, beloveds all around the world. Thank you for tuning in to this meditation today. What I'm about to share with you is so important right now to give ourselves the medicine that we need to remain healthy and remain the pillars of light. So it's so often to get caught up in the fears and some of the realities that we are being faced with. It's so important to remain grounded, to remain centered. And this meditation is from my teacher, Hari's book, the Women's Book of Meditation, though it is a very practical meditation for women and men. It's called the Rejuvenation meditation, and I will read a couple of things about this meditation and why it will serve us in this time. This medication can be considered a medical meditation. While it does not replace allopathic forms of medicine, its effects can be considered strong enough to help your system fight disease. This meditation can positively affect your glandular system, stimulating your natural capacity to heal. It is best to do before going to bed. So this is the perfect anecdote if you're scrolling through Instagram or Facebook and seeing all the news of what's going on and it's freaking you out. Do this before bed instead, and you'll sleep much better and boost your immune system too. So you're going to sit cross-legged. You can sit on your bed or you can sit on a pillow on the floor. You're going to have your hands in a lotus mudra at the center of your heart with your elbows snug next to your ribs, against your ribs, and your palms are open in this lotus. Imagine yourself receiving the health and vitality that you need to survive these challenging times. The only fingers touching are your pinky fingers. So you're going to focus your eyes down towards the tip of your nose with your eyes closed. You're going to inhale through pursed lips, like you're drinking through a little straw. And then you're going to hold your breath for about 4 seconds as you mentally chant Sa Ta Na Ma, which essentially means truth is my identity and I align with my integrity and the integrity of my soul. So that's the holding for about 4 counts. And then you're going to exhale in 4 equal strokes through the nose as you mentally chant Sa Ta Na Ma. Then before you inhale, I'll walk you through this again, don't worry. Before you inhale, you'll mentally chant Waheguru, which basically associates you with the divine ecstasy of the universe, basically thinking everything is going to be fine. Let's celebrate the mystery of life and our collective consciousness evolving together. Okay, so let me describe that again in case you didn't follow along, which is totally fine. So hands in this lotus formation at the center of your heart. You're going to inhale through your pursed lips. Then you're going to hold your breath for about 4 counts. Sa, ta, na, ma is what you repeat internally. Then you're going to exhale in 4 counts through the nose. Sa, ta, na, ma. So 4 counts. Then you're going to hold your breath for 2 counts. Waheguru. Okay, let's do it together. I'll walk you through it. Don't worry. All right, so inhale. Hold your breath. Sa, ta, na, ma. Exhale through the nose. Sa, ta, na, ma. This is internally chanting. Then hold your breath out for a second. Waheguru. All right, inhale. Hold your breath. Sa, ta, na, ma. Exhale through your nose, 4 strokes. Then you're going to hold your breath. Waheguru. Inhale through your pursed lips. Hold. Sa, ta, na, ma. Exhale 4 counts. Sa, ta, na, ma. Through your nose. Hold your breath 2 counts. Waheguru. One more time together, then I'll go with you. So inhale. Hold. Sa, ta, na, ma. Exhale 4 strokes. Hold out. Think Waheguru. All right, let's do it together. I'll walk you through it again in case you lost track. Okay, inhale through the pursed lips. Hold your breath, mentally chant sa, ta, na, ma. Exhale 4 counts through the nose. Hold your breath out on the empty Waheguru. Inhale through the pursed lips. Hold your breath in, mentally chant sa, ta, na, ma. Exhale through the nose 4 counts. Hold it out, Waheguru, one more time. Bring your palms to your heart. Inhale deeply. Exhale, sigh it out. I'll put the instructions below so you can practice this one on your own. It is so powerful. If you practice this a couple times, you'll just get it. And it becomes so easy, you won't even need to think about it anymore. So this is a powerful meditation. Again, this is from my teacher, Harikar's book of meditation. It's a very powerful meditation for disease resistance and immunity. So I hope that you join me in practicing this meditation. I'm here for any questions you may have. Instagram Fern Olivia or find me online. And I hope to see you soon. Sat Nam.